Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at a new CRISIL report that's raising red flags for banks. A steady fall in CASA ratios and declining fixed deposits that could shake up the stability of India's financial system. India's banks are facing a quiet but serious challenge, not from bad loans but from weakening deposits. A new report by CRISIL warns of structural shift in how people are saving their money, with fewer fixed deposits and a decline CASA ratios, and that could impact the stability and cost of funds for banks in the long run. According to CRISIL, households accounted for 60% of deposits in March 2025, down from 64% in 2020. At the same time, the CASA ratio, which measures the share of low-cost current and savings deposits, has fallen to 36% in June 2025 from a 25-year high of 42% in 2022. These two shifts show that banks are losing cheap and stable deposits, and that could raise their funding costs over time. So, what's driving the change? Firstly, households are moving money from savings accounts into capital markets, chasing better returns through stocks, mutual funds, and bonds. Secondly, corporates now form a larger share of deposits. But as CRISIL's Subhasri Narayanan points out, corporate deposits are more rate sensitive and short term. That means during liquidity stress, corporates can withdraw funds faster, putting pressure on bank stability. Adding to this, many banks have recently cut savings interest rates, making CASA accounts even less attractive. CASA deposits are banks' cheapest source of funds. As they shrink, banks have to depend more on costlier term deposits or borrowings, hurting their margins. CRISIL's Vani Ojaswi warns that banks must proactively manage their deposit base to avoid rising costs and funding risks. Simply put, if these trends continue, banks could face tighter liquidity and thinner profits. The good news, CRISIL expects deposit growth to stay steady in the short term, helped by RBI's liquidity measures. A 2.5 lakh crore CRR cut and 1.9 lakh crore freed up under the revised liquidity coverage ratio or LCR norms have eased liquidity since April 2025, giving banks some breathing space. In short, India's deposit landscape is evolving. Households are seeking better returns, corporates are more active, and CASA ratios are falling. For banks, the message is clear: adapt now or face higher costs later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on banking and finance.